Hi, welcome to Healthy Character Theme Meals. The theme of this meal is Snow White.
Over here we got some of the drawers, a bucket of apples, a bed, and some of the names. Dopey, Sleepy, and Sneezy. On it, and over here we got this Snow White who's holding an apple purse. We got the cottage, we got Snow White and her prince. We got plus Snow White and a really big Snow White. We have this mini Snow White, two figures of Snow White, a magical Snow White, baby Snow White, a pet Snow White, this Snow White. We got this Malamander doll Snow White, the Evil Queen, and Freya's Snow Whites.
Now let's look at the food we've made. On the first plate is some fruit, and we used the colors of Snow White's dress. We have a mango, blueberries, and strawberries. On this tray, we have 7 figures to represent the 7 dwarves. We made it using squash and macaroni and cheese.
And here we have the apple that the Evil Queen gave to Snow White.